So here we go, start of day 3. We're going from here at Broken Hill down to Peterborough. Going to stop at Peterborough for lunch with the locals, and then we head on to Whyalla for the overnight stop. So enjoy the scenery for what I can take of it, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye. Just a quick stop for roadworks now, so not sure how long it's going to be. We've been sitting here for probably about 2-3 minutes already. We'll have to see how we go. Oh my god, this would have to be one of the longest pieces of roadworks I've ever had to travel through. I reckon it's a good 2 kilometres, or it's doing 40 kilometres an hour. It's going to take me till Christmas to get there. I'll tell you what, we've been sitting on roadworks at 40 and 60k limits for probably about the last 10-15 minutes, probably 10, and there's still more to come. This rate, I reckon we might make Whyalla after dark. Oh no, we're going up now, we're going up to 80. We might get there just before dark. Okay, we're arriving in Whyalla. This will be our first stop since leaving Broken Hill. We're going to fuel up here, stretch the legs before our next step here, we head off to Peterborough. So, like most, as I said before, like most country towns, not much happening. I did see the sign back there that mentioned about petrol, sandwiches, cool drinks, but the word cool was spelt with a K. So we're not too smart out in the country. Okay, where are we going? Bikes going everywhere here. Sorry, I was laughing. My friend's in the intercom, so he's making a comment and I had a little laugh, so you have to be there. Alright, gonna shut down for a minute while I get some fuel. Okay, that's our Whyalla stop done and dusted, and now we're heading off. Next stop will be Peterborough for lunch, so catch you then. Now we're on our way to Port Augusta, then down to Whyalla. So absolutely top day compared to the first 2 days we had, where it was just cold, wet, miserable. Now the sun's out. This route's going to take us through a little pass in the Flinders here called Horrock Pass. It's actually quite windy and very scenic too, so enjoy when we get to it. GoPro's not going to do this justice because it is actually quite windy, so it slows you down a bit, but it's very nice.